Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. You are now tuned in to Civic Dad. In today's episode, we're going to be working on the suspension, replacing both the front and rear coilovers with a brand new set from MaxpeedingRod, as well as replacing the rear upper camber arms and the front upper control arms. This is something I've had planned for quite a while, and it's nice that I'm finally able to do it. If the audio sounds a little different, it's because I decided to pitch in some money and get a microphone. I know for some of you viewers it's a little obnoxious hearing my voice on one side of your headphones, so hopefully this will mitigate that. So first up in this job is we're going to be removing all four wheels and inspecting the entire suspension system and getting ready to do this job the right way. I'm super excited and I can't wait to do it. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of talking in this video. I do have a tendency to ramble on, so for the better part of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and stay quiet and let you guys enjoy the video.
Nice.
Damn!
So the rear camber arms were pretty much a direct bolt-on. There was really no modification that needed to be done other than making your adjustments to go from negative to positive camber, as the vehicle does have a tendency to have a natural camber when you lower it. This can be fixed by doing a proper alignment. You can go to any mechanic shop, any tire shop, and they will do the alignment for you. Being that this is a garage build, I went ahead and measured each camber arm as close as possible to the next one, dialing in as best I could. Once we have the coilovers and the rear camber arms installed, it was time to do the rear sway bar. Now this one I was excited for because out of all my research, results said that this yielded the most control and the most difference in driving. Now the Honda Civic CX does not come with front or rear sway bars, so I was really looking forward to feeling an entire different car once this is installed. The first step before installing this rear sway bar was to get it all lubed up. I went with a premium grease from STP. I started by greasing not only the rubber grommets that held the sway bar, but also the sway bar itself. Once that was done, it was time to get this baby installed. The sway bar kit that I picked up is from a brand called PQY. It comes with your sway bar, your rubber grommets, your mounting bracket, as well as both your driver side and passenger side endlinks. All hardware was included. However, I found that the hardware did not fit or that the bolts were just a little bit too long, which required me to go to the local hardware store and pick up some grade A bolts that actually fit exactly the way I needed it to. But other than that, it went in easy and smooth as ever. The upper control arms I went with are from DNA Motors. When I received them, the ball joints were actually installed upside down.
What?
Thus requiring me to uninstall them, flip the control arm over, and reinstall them. These control arms are actually pretty cool because it allows you to adjust camber. Installing them was fairly straightforward and easy. There's 2 bolts in the engine bay, one in the front and one in the back. You remove those bolts and the control arm slides out relatively easy. Once everything was installed and tightened down, I went ahead and put my wheels back on, tightened them down, dropped the car back down to the floor, and dialed my camber accordingly. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and possibly commenting on how I can do better or what you enjoyed in the video. By liking and subscribing, you help me get this video out to more people across the YouTube algorithm. Also, be sure to check me out on Instagram at Civic_dad98, where I try hard to post daily ongoings of what's going on with the build. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.